Hello there, my friends, and welcome. Are you a busy mom? You're overwhelmed. You're trying to balance between work and family and households, and you're looking for a better way to earn money. And maybe you're overwhelmed and frustrated because there's so much information out there, and you're wondering what's the best digital marketing path for beginners like myself, right? So you're in the right place at the right time. Stick around to the very end because I have an exciting gift for you. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Amazing Angela from Partner with Angela. I'm originally from Malawi in Southern Africa, currently studying for my degree in business and marketing here in Dublin, Ireland. I help busy moms just like you learn the skills to build a successful digital business so you can finally fire that boss of yours and get to spend more quality time with your family. Because I know what it's like to be chasing time and money. Back in October 2019, I was overwhelmed. I was so stressed and frustrated. I was so sick and tired of working 12-hour shifts and still not having enough time or money to spend with my family. I felt like I was on this hamster wheel going round and round in circles as I lived from paycheck to paycheck. Now, last year, I came across this proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint that's showing me how to attract my perfect customer using social media, so I no longer have to bother my family and friends. Now, what I'm loving about this blueprint is, even though it was a one-time payment with no monthly subscriptions, I actually get weekly live interactive coaching and mentorship from 6 and 7-figure earners. So if you're a mom looking to get into the space, then you might be looking at different options, different ways that you could go. You could do create content, you could write articles on blog, you could do video blogs, or you could do YouTube, and it's a great way for you to actually earn a passive income. You could choose to manage other people's social media platforms. You could do affiliate marketing where you actually get a commission, a percentage of a commission for referring other products and services that you're using anyway, right? So there's so many different ways that are available. But what's the right path for you? What should you look into? First and foremost is you should have the balance between passion and profit, right? You should get into something that you're passionate about, because if you're going to be successful, you're going to have to talk about this every single day. So the more passionate you are in it, the more you believe in it, the easier it is, right? The other thing is you should consider is time commitment. How much time are you willing to invest to actually build your online business? And then lastly, what current skill set do you have? What skills do you have that are going to help you build a business? So I want to share with you why this is a lucrative opportunity for you, because as I said earlier, I'm part of a blueprint, right, which is actually perfect for busy moms, because it takes you by the hand and it walks you step by step through learning the skills, right? Learning how to market online the right way. And guess what? Once you've learned the skills, you can use them for anything, any digital marketing thing that you want to do, as long as you have those skills ready to go. So what I'm going to do here is I want to share my screen and show with you real-time proof and testimonials of busy moms just like you who are actually getting results in our community. So this here is our bonus site, right? So this is not what you get when you join. This is extra, the cherry on top. So it's a community of over 52,000 paid members. If I had any question, I could ask it here, and 125 are online. One of them could answer that question, right? And before I share with you the testimonials, let me just show you here, because I said I love that we have live interactive coaching and mentorship. So you can see here, today's Thursday, we have social media Q&A with Amy, who's a six-figure earner. And we have technical calls there as well. And we have a free webinar that's on tomorrow, okay? So these are live interactive. Amy went from zero to working 2 jobs, single mom, to actually quitting both those jobs. And now she's actually teaching us how she done it, right? So how powerful is that? This is our more free resources that you get extra. This is a bonus site. And the 90-day sprints is where our multi-millionaire who created this program, she sends us a video every day. We're on day 19 and she gives us action steps at the end of it, right? So here she's talking about creating stop the scroll content, right? And she goes you through exactly what you need to do. And if I go back, there's different, there's mindset training, there's webinar resources, social media training. Like we have a webinar coming up, right, on Friday. So we have access to, if I just click here, so this is 21st. Okay, it should be at the bottom maybe. Yeah, 30th, May the 30th. So this webinar is coming up. I have this, I can use this to promote. We have done for you emails. We have our link here. So we get all the resources we need to promote, to build our business, right? With social media training, mentoring calls, and content vault as well. We can download content and upload onto our social media. But lastly, let's show you proof that if I go to the wins here, these are the wins that have been shared in our community. Moteo, 17 hours ago, he says, big win, congratulations to me, my sales breakthrough journey. I made my first sale in March, and then I think he's made another one. I'm gonna just move on to more wins. Woke up to over 400 comments on the video, absolutely amazing. Christina, 21 hours ago, well, she was live and she made $900 and got 4,800 leads. That's incredible, absolutely incredible. And she had 19,000 comments, right? And so Dan, hours ago, $900 so far. Congratulations. Stephanie, another $900 sell 14 hours ago. Beth, first viral video win. Congratulations. The goal is to get a viral video, right? First lead on day one. Congratulations. First sale 12 hours ago. Charlene got first $900 sale. And 2 days ago, 900. She's welcoming a new member. Yolanda made 1,100 while farming, right? What did she say about the farming total? Oh, made $1,100. Okay, just keep going. $300 win alert. Alana, 3 days ago. Another $100 sell. Alana, 23 hours ago, and so on and so forth. So we have over 28,000 pages of wins, different types of wins. So what we have here is a proven step-by-step blueprint that anybody can use. As long as you're coachable, you're teachable, you're willing to follow simple step-by-step instructions, you'll have all the tools that you need. Now, this year, I'm on a mission to work really closely with 100 moms to help them launch and grow a successful digital business for explosive growth in 2025. So if you would like to learn more about our proven step-by-step six-figure blueprint, go ahead and click the link in the comments to claim your Freedom Formula blueprint. I'm going to deliver it to your email. Make sure you check your spam folder, your promotional folder, and then once you've gone through the blueprint, respond to my email. Let's have a conversation. I'm here to help you make an informed decision. Now, if you found value in this video, go ahead and smash that like button, and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on more training from me. I've been amazing, Angela, from partnerwithangela.com, wishing you the best year ever. Thank you.